Hunter Crown King. I want to some sound boy. You don't know what's a gunshot, yo, a bad man thing, yo. Silver Stone. I want to some boy. Yeah, I don't know what's the first impression, yeah. First impression last. That's why man me not in a A1 class. Yeah, and we lock down every dance. So no idiot, so don't stand a chance again. First impression last. And that's why Silver Stone in a A class. Yeah, and we lock down every dance. So no idiot, so don't stand a chance. Yo, Silver Stone sound that it for this thing. When the sun crash, yeah, we bowl of the ring. So they over there, some people smile gathering. So we get loud and clear if a man drop a pin. The whole dance silent. Tired of that select and they more in argument. Touch them on the
the Silver Stone run this alone. Some wise fall, some wise fall. So go down, go down, go down, someone. Go down, go down, go down, someone. Yes, you're running around, puffing your chest. Chest, chest, chest. Some wise fall, some wise fall. And you're done dead already. You're done dead already. I know you're done dead already. From the mine to the cemetery. I want you say you are the conqueror. Can't conquer, yes. Silver Stone sound you can't conquer. Oh, sound boy, you say you are the master. Silver Stone and killer sound.
Now here come the last tune. See, this is original by Joe Osborne.
So Daniel from the dance hall got called from Jamaica representing for the song called Silver Stone. Pick up man like our selector, Madlina from Harare, Zimbabwe, himself from the dance hall got called. See that? That's all now, alright?
Yes, sir.
Pick up man like our selector, Madlina from Harare, Zimbabwe, himself from the dance hall got called. See that?